On whores. Heh. Craziest thing just happened just now. I pulled my truck in the garage to do an oil change, and I stepped back to the back where the ball hitch is. Yeah. And I look down and I see this white thing. What the fuck is that? And I got to looking, and lo and behold, it's a zip tie. A mini zip tie sitting right there on my hitch. How the hell? How does that just sit there? I didn't put it, I swear I did not put that there just to make this video. This was sitting there. This little zip tie that's broken. There's one end, there's the other. Where the hell did that come from? On my hitch. Fucking mosquitoes spreading. Herpes. I don't even know. I'm just going to leave it there and just see how long it'll last. So we're going to set it right back where it was. We're going to leave it right there to see if it will stay there for a week. I give it a couple miles. So yeah, doing the oil change on the by-God Chevy. Hope my bucket's not overflowing. Take a peek. Ooh. Nope, not quite. Not quite. It's about done draining though. So look at that. Yes, I know how to do an oil change. Oh, you know one thing they say. Well, motherfucker, I'm a mechanic. I know goddamn just about fucking everything there is about a vehicle. So fuck you. I don't know how to change a spare tire though, that's the only thing. So if I get a flat tire, I'm fucked. I am fucked. Oh shit. Fuck it though. That's what tow trucks are for.